Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, chapter 54. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Linian and Officer Song. Linian, just for that woman, actually, he warned me. Now, looking at her, she looks really serious. You can go. Do you think I can do it without you? Linian said to her, but suddenly Song, she want to start the car. Suddenly, it became faulty. Ha ha. Linian, she was really laughing. Seems that God will not let Tim Song to go to be a hero to save the beauty. Are you finished? It's not over, of course, it's not over. Seems that Tim Song is doomed. Spend a good night with me, okay? Linian said to her. Hey, I said what's good night about? White Lotus, going back and forth in the middle of the night. It doesn't matter. Call the ambulance. Linian said to her, but suddenly dropped down the car hood. She moved closer to her. Well, probably Officer Song right now is really worried about her niece. Right now, Linian. She really can't speak loud. Officer Song is closer to her. You can insult me as you can. Officer Song said to her, but don't insult her. Well, she was pertaining to her sister-in-law. Linian, after hearing this, makes sense. Just for that woman. He was so angry. Now, she think about herself. Well, those words on the roof of that, just for me to say in vain. Song team has never said anything about solving the case. We are still different. Linian said to her, hey, it's me. Send someone to the hospital. Address, tell him yourself. Throw her phone to Officer Song. Right now, Officer Song, she became speechless. Of course, she really got worried. Plus her niece has responsibility to help them. Hey, hello. Yes, please. Here's the address. Dr. Lin, she go back to the car. Well, she seems to be angry at her. Although right now, after speaking, medical team, Officer Song, she came back. Dr. Lin, she already fall asleep. Well, this girl, she was wearing a thin clothes. The place is really so cold. Looking at Linian, she was really resting for a while. Maybe she really feels exhausted today. As soon as she recovered from the serious illness, it was so cold. Right now, looking at her, she's not dressing proper, and it makes sense to Officer Song to take off the clothes and want to cover her up. Still, she was looking at Linian. Officer Song, at this moment, she take off her heels. Her ankle feels like a jade. Oh, this girl, even though small things, she can really recognize it. She's obviously want to leave her feet to help her to pick up the clothes, but suddenly right now, it seems that and it makes sense. Officer Song, right now, she's going to fall down. Maybe it got really hurt. Dr. Linian, she seems to be surprised. Officer Song is closer to her. Officer Song, she looked back and seeing her, she looked at her straight. Well, probably. They are really in an awkward state. Officer Song, right now, she was really blushing. Also, Linian was looking at her and don't know what to say. Suddenly, Officer Song, it turns out her hands. Right now, it's clearly Linian. She's getting angry towards her. Well, what a punishment an Officer Song received from her. This is really funny, although right now, she might be scolded, right? Good intentions are being used. You should be glad that you're not a man, otherwise you will be punished. Linian. Right now, Officer Song went out to the car. Isn't it? Well, at this moment, relationship is really getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.